guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shania, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this 90s supermodel beat. I love all of those like super glam 90s supermodel looks, like these really structured eyes, you know, cool toned, matte face, matte eyes, all that good stuff. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to get today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all that fun stuff. Don't mind my background. The other little shelf I had literally fell and broke, so that's what's going on right now. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with eyes first because it's honestly like the more quick, it's a more simple eye look, so I'm going to do my eyes first. So I'm just going to prime them with some concealer really quick. I'm going to be using this Morphe M411 blending brush, and I'm going to be taking this palette from Makeup Obsession. I think this is like a sister brand to Makeup Revolution, but I'm not completely sure. But it's this palette called Rody, girl, I don't know. But this is the dark palette, and it's like more cool tone shades in this palette, which I love. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to be dipping in to these two shades right here, a mauve shade and then a gray, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease. And I'm going for a more cool toned shadow look today because that's really what all the 90s supermodel girls were doing. There were a few that did, you know, the warm looks, but it was like very rare. Okay, and then with the same brush, I'm going to be picking up this shade called Eclipse, which is a black, and I'm going to use that to deepen my crease up. And then I'm also applying this on the outer third of my eye. And I'm leaning that out a bit. Then with a different blending brush, I'm gonna pick up that mauve shade again, just so I can blend the edges here. So we don't look crazy. So now I'm gonna do a mixture of that taupey mauve color and white, and I'm gonna put that on my lid and to like do a little bit of a cut crease situation, but not with concealer. I'm just packing on this matte shade just to give my eye a little bit of structure. I'm going to take my AnastasiaBeverlyHills liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a thin line on the lash line. Oh, it's time to do the face since I'm done with the eyes. Well, basically done. I'm going to try out this new Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. Like, it's still pore filling, well, not pore filling, but it's still like has that smoothing feeling like the other one, but it's just more hydrating, which I like. Now I'm gonna do my color correcting like I always do. So I'm gonna take my Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer in the shade 12. So I just put this around my mouth area, and honestly anywhere where I have like any dark spots or discoloration. So now I'm just going to take a brush and blend that out. This just honestly helps me use less foundation, because then I just get more coverage when I'm spot concealing. Okay, now that I have that all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set it in place with some translucent powder. And I love, you guys already know, I love the all-nighter from Urban Decay. This is a waterproof setting powder, and it's pressed, so that's why I really like it as well. It looks like this. It looks like it's not going to be translucent, but babes, it is so translucent, it's crazy. So I just take a bigger fluffy brush, and this is from ColourPop, and I just set all that concealer in place. So if you don't set it, it's gonna move around everywhere when you go in for foundation. And this also helps your makeup last so much longer. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my foundation, and it's of course, the Anastasia Luminous foundation in the shade 500C, and I literally just do one pump of that. And then I'm just taking whatever's left on my brush and I'm putting it on the forehead. We don't need any extra product for that. What should I use? I'm gonna go in with my Milk Flex Concealer. And this is in the shade Cinnamon. Go in and blend this all out. So I go in with my foundation brush first. And then I go in with a smaller brush to get in there. But this just helps it blend into the foundation around the cheek area, so you don't look like you have like super bright under eyes and then like your foundation is like drastically dark. You really want to make sure that you're blending the edges with a brush or beauty blender. I prefer brushes though, because they just work a bit better for me. Okay, now I'm gonna set that all in place. Of course, with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now it's time for bronzer, and I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna do a mix. I'm gonna do a little mixy. And I'm gonna mix this Maybelline gray pencil and the white. And then I'm gonna grab a black eyeshadow. And I'm gonna get that really close to my waterline. Do a little bit of a brow bone highlight as well, because that's very 90s. So let's do that. But this is white. So I'm gonna line my lips with my Maybelline dark brown lip liner. Like always. Okay, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade Driver. I'm gonna take this Iconic London lip gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. I'm gonna apply some of this. Add a few beauty marks, and then that's literally it. I feel like this is taking so fucking long. A 90s girl always has beauty marks, okay? Right there. Okay guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the way this came out. Like, I usually don't like cool toned shadows at all because like I feel like they don't look that great on me, but this is a look. It's given what it's supposed to give, okay? This is so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be leaving all the products in the description box down below for you guys to check that out. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of Makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.